Welcome to Elevate Daily, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI. Now, you've probably heard a lot about AI lately: ChatGPT, Bard, Midjourney. It seems like everybody's talking about it. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a tech wizard to unlock its true potential. What if I told you that the secret to mastering AI isn't about complex coding? It's about asking the right questions. That's right, it's all about crafting the perfect prompt. Think of it like talking to a really smart but slightly literal-minded friend. You gotta know how to speak its language. Welcome to the AI Cheat Sheet, 7 Prompts for Beginners. Alright, let's kick things off with the fundamentals, mastering the art of prompting. Now, I know this might sound basic, but trust me, this is where most people trip up. You can't just throw any old question at ChatGPT and expect a masterpiece in return. Think of it like this: your prompt is the blueprint, the foundation for everything ChatGPT creates. If your blueprint is vague or confusing, the end result is going to be, well, pretty messy. It's like trying to build a house on a foundation of sand. It's just not going to end well. So, what makes a killer prompt? Specificity is key. Instead of asking something generic like, "Tell me about history," zero in on what you really want to know. Try something like, "Explain the major causes of the French Revolution in simple terms." See the difference? Clear, concise, and to the point. That's what ChatGPT thrives on. Now, here's a trick that separates the AI rookies from the pros getting ChatGPT to think before it speaks. We're going to make this AI engage its brain before it spits out an answer. Sometimes you don't just want a quick answer, you want a well-reasoned explanation. You want to see the AI's thought process. So, how do we do it? Simple, just add this phrase to your prompt. Before answering my next question, outline your thought process step by step. Boom. Just like that, you've transformed ChatGPT into a more deliberate, more analytical machine. This is insanely helpful for understanding complex topics, or when you need to make sure the AI is on the right track. When AI thinks before it responds, you get higher quality insights and fewer errors. Let's be real, sometimes AI can get a little too technical, a little too jargony. It's like trying to read a foreign language. You know, there's valuable information in there, but it's just not clicking. But here's the good news: you don't need a PhD in computer science to understand AI's responses. You can get ChatGPT to explain even the most complex topics in a way that even a 10-year-old could grasp. It's all about framing the right prompt. Here's your secret weapon: explain complex topic as if I were a 10-year-old. Then give me a one-sentence summary. Let's break this down. First, we're asking ChatGPT to simplify things, to ditch the technical terms and use everyday language. Think clear, concise explanations, maybe even a few well-placed analogies. That one-sentence summary, that's where the real magic happens. It forces the AI to distill the most important information into a single, easy-to-remember takeaway. This technique is a game changer for a couple of reasons. First, it ensures that you truly understand the core concepts. If you can explain it simply, you know you've got a good grasp on it. Second, it helps you remember the information better. Our brains love simple, concise explanations, and that one-sentence summary acts like a mental anchor, keeping the key points fresh in your mind. It's like having Cliff's Notes for even the most complicated subjects. One of the coolest things about AI is its versatility. It's not a one-size-fits-all tool. It's a flexible, adaptable partner that can be molded to fit your unique style and needs. Think about it. You wouldn't use the same tone of voice when talking to your best friend as you would when giving a presentation at work, right? The same goes for AI. You can actually tell ChatGPT how to respond, how to sound, how to fit into your world. Want your responses to be witty and engaging? No problem. Need something more formal and professional? ChatGPT's got you covered. Here's a prompt that gives you total control. From now on, respond in a desired tone of voice with preferred formatting. Let's say you want ChatGPT to sound like your favorite comedian, delivering responses with a side of humor. You could say, from now on, respond in a witty, casual tone with short bullet points. And just like that, you've got a personalized AI assistant that's tailored to your communication style. All right, let's talk about one of my favorite uses for AI brainstorming. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, the deadline looming, fresh out of ideas. It's the creative equivalent of writer's block, and it can be seriously frustrating. But here's the thing, AI never runs out of ideas. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always on, always ready to bounce ideas around the clock. Here's the prompt that unlocks AI's brainstorming superpowers. I need creative ideas for project topic. generate 10 unique ideas, then refine the best 3 with details. Plug that into the prompt and watch as ChatGPT explodes with a list of potential video ideas, channel names, target audiences, you name it. The more detail you provide in your prompt, the more targeted and relevant the AI's suggestions will be. We all want our work to be the best it can be, right? Whether it's a blog post, an email to your boss, or even just a text to your friend, having a second set of eyes can make all the difference. You've already got a world-class editor at your fingertips, ChatGPT. This AI powerhouse can do more than just generate text. It can help you improve your existing writing. Review my writing, paste text. Identify 3 improvements for clarity, engagement, and structure, then rewrite a paragraph using those suggestions. We live in a world that's constantly evolving, and to keep up, we need to be constantly learning, constantly expanding our skill sets. But let's be real, finding the time and motivation to learn something new can be a real struggle. But what if I told you that AI could make learning faster, more engaging, and more personalized than ever before? Forget those boring textbooks and tedious lectures. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can transform into your personal tutor. Here's the prompt that unlocks AI's teaching potential. Teach me, skill or topic as if you were my private tutor. Start with the basics, then quiz me after each section. ChatGPT breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons, providing clear explanations, real-world examples, and interactive quizzes. And the best part? ChatGPT learns as you learn. It adapts to your progress, tailoring its lessons to your unique learning style. So there you have it, guys. 7 powerful prompts to transform your AI interactions. Remember, AI is a tool, and its effectiveness depends on your skill. Hit like, subscribe to Elevate Daily, and keep leveling up.